Stonebwoy de Biamika say he's the only artist in Ghana. Or yeah, Juma to say underground artist and the near bra up hits.
And then in name
Stonebwoy. Sometimes because baby I would do now song quite comfortable. Look, Stonebwoy is so established and fulfilled there. But every time he moves like underground artist up hit unrelaxing. Transema to guna soon and then and our power she share or yes strategic networking. And I say Ghana ha ye potential Grammy winner pa ni steps no moving how onim the open. What you say? And it's not about Sanyama can de onim country film how but look if you are talking about someone say why strategy so make a statement be my Ghana even when he eka so open ahoshishe mpo still now he doesn't mind.
Right, Abuja for Djka Nyan Support TV. Na mensa aka portfolio, the man of the moment. Ma meneno emon komo kakra. O ye minua prekope. Mo amunimo no. Portfolio ye minua prekope. But just say adwuma ni ntie to da na we yakodia. Event am ye no ye bia me birthday bia Djka work with Djka ono na ya na ye MC. Twice ni nyina ono baby I met him in South Africa oba and then we will studio and appear say oh Djka ever since I'm receiving award deputy artist of the year me who that ti also be the award no e de ba be choti wa ba dia na wasa be so me no epo go portfolio wa kwa ba
e dey chata house bo be see here say category ben
and I never wa
deputy your deputy
I wouldn't know radio station
oh ya ho to nyina I don raskuku
yes ya che
bra penny pa
yes ya che
my family bra
yes ya che
jantintan so ana ni nam na mai use anyum bi ma pen am say me bra nya his song next year VJ me songwriter of the year ya dey call also submit
sa track na ma pen mu no on say somewhere for now as a major promotion kakra because na bashing na ebani ade no and na what we all comfort style and then
even though receiving it in that direction I thought people were really happy say what to me I mean
bebre na ni ajepa na bebre na so no
negative energy
na what we all comfort style and then oh yeah but enya no ni mom na ka ho ai say but factor na nka and say on the TikTok say o de nyom to wa ya na epe 1 minute pepe into me uploading sata na minya Emfanto your friend is saying digital stores no. Timeme no 1 minute 30 seconds.
Right.
Timeme to digital stores ni we no. E no mo kire me say copyright a channel on TikTok. To be use sound ni bia no. TikTok a year free. Ti no ne ka on e mama bambu na me no. Me ntimi nsan ko start afresh. But radio so dey na manfo. E boni ade. Also comfort kwa dey me godfather ever since.
I say the new generation we am to kwade no una we ka mo reignite kwade catalog man ne sabe new generation we there especially new way obama me yada na me cry me say
asset
say me beto so kwade time but anya me the sing after we years
I
mean so you've been doing a lot what you've been doing for Daddy Lumber's catalog introducing it to the new generation and all this so I think people should receive this with positivity all the same you know can be rapping
portfolio my yensha say Kumerica you guys started and you na na ewo mu bi yen hu ne ye and am mfa ne say edin no ho de ba say de esi bi pagya no say yen mfa ne say akofom kakra but ever since that thing started artists bia obefri Kumasi bia no blue and also na me hu say na as like o push that agenda ne pa back in the days na your artists wo Kumasi a na sela na omo ya ade pa ugidi say dey nti e na kane no ne Kumasi nwom nko na enei obi pie free Kumasi a na chese boom out there
I think say mekoswa ka say yare a friend COVID senkanya yare Kenya yare be say nipa koma nka Nyankopon sa man mbra bi.
Hey,
yes. They be American among take the contest of Adiam because say COVID enya yare ka Nyankopon man mbra bi because it's the biggest blessing that ever happened to Ashanti region music. say na make am patro say obi engineman senkenya yare na nke bia enye phenomenon bia ha adwena because eno ne ade eba be yi ayi bi kuntu aha men katwi
edi free
ho ma amanfo hu say enti bibi say wo ho meaning say your music system no first no na your free bibi gatekeeper system.
Okay.
Near system no na introduce to audience what to listen to. Enti radio o de onyom kwa radio TV and I say other networks no ebe hwema yi enyom percenti at a point in time where we are recording expert we nim how it plays your recording processor answer na obi among a lot of artists no producer ni be yi ebia say no they are come other TV enti no the system was introducing to the consumers what they should listen to.
Okay.
And a COVID by and a can be a good them. I can't be a good them this time round no. Obia ye busy with internet in so. Into Obia na cautious idea a beman and niaji. People are looking for something new to occupy themselves.
Wow.
And into around that time man that boys near sound no. And among phones this is something different. So the whole American you know one a new sound I did buy because yes hip life near chorus and rap but not media don't come to accept art in its raw form. I am refining
okay
good because Kumerica neighbor no songs are a break it through say songs and Kenya COVID timer kamini senka radio bebo they be America say all these boys no say and your COVID and ka the same music and ka still
na mami enyi me goggles no because asem na can eme depa.
Yes.
So do you want to tell me that because before COVID na social media no?
Yes, na social media no.
Until now open social media says
no social media no but na a divided attention. Traditional media was still ruling. And a fraction of people are internet active. And a good social media. But this time around whether you are an internet savvy or not, you are forced to be on the internet because and only the only way I'll be occupying because nipa share them 24/7. Statistics which I will say within the COVID season, the number of TikTok stars in your COVID and TikTok TikTok
na TikTok wo but COVID the man nipa be pay attention to because all them on media
app be our phones to be who explore more.
Okay.
You are looking for new material. So I see say the internet activeness and the usage in that COVID season shot up from 20% to close to 85% across the world.
Okay.
And until people are searching for new material. So I make say yeah talk asakania they are the same COVID and a phenomenon we amba. Can the same songs no more but still now can hit because one media has ethics. Media is used to sometimes even a buy plan no then the mainstream media was forced to accept it because that is what the people wanted and it's a numbers game in media until you are forced to play it but anke for media no so nanke yedi blow media no because one almost sound ninya sound that a media friendly almost sound so I think this year NBE sa continue free ho
okay
then people took advantage to also tell the world said yo all this work Kumasi we've been doing it but mona muhu because be infrastructure ni spotlight ni emfivai so now as you know ehon na hu say I mean I'm random musu speedy here who say others ni so I feel say one COVID blessing ka hu then two because we have we have fine talent say support system ni do so kra no hu your talent na who say yeah so me who say me dem I attribute it to COVID
okay right now yenhwe San Kofo Bibrinaka rappers turning into singers. Kofo Bibrina say, oh, I didn't know basa. Say, so be a rapper, naturally, or yes, singing. Who say, being a rapper in Ghana, and a M1, and I say, a toda, it was a Oshebe Bia, Ubenya N. Smith, and an afe, do any actual one.
Senior principles obo ha or stand for principle bi obo ha or friend who entertainer
okay
and as a musician obo ha culture of rap no dey sin ani so however say music no o purpose ni say who ye music no e dia senior now ni na wo ye dia hwe abusuya pa dia edu ba bia be betray your principles as a rapper and come on statistics bet you say. I mean, Amrado, Tama, all these rappers turn into singers. Tama, boys in the way good though. A do beef and ya Kyle. Beef ni man. Now, go back to listening to the singers.
Okay.
A do beef and ya back high rappers. These and many other reasons. Shows back. There is no one who promoter. Djka won't be fair rapper. Say won't be now. No rap 2 hours.
No.
Obey or you good or you good. A drew shows her. No one fresh singers. No better your mama and for. What I say? So these and many other things that man for who say even nipa or rap crampo no say magic rap again no. Songs are a more de call many years songs are or employ the services of singers.
Okay.
And this strong man can rap all the rap, you know. The biggest song is what he did with Akwabwa.
Transformer.
One of his biggest songs is what he did with Kwame Eugene.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
And you know, you or no names or what disadvantage will singing mono. You go employ services. Sako dia jidi won Africa now. Oko tosa. Enye ho na oko rap obi the number 1
no.
Oko Afrobeat songs are oni
can promise
you run time we near they no perform. Intimate so we dig Ghana for chia. We good. They do show our promoters in front. They do beef from Kwane Beka rapper. Okay. Yes say why won't we force our rappers to venture singing? And I'm not do better. He's cashing out.
Yeah.
Cashing out. I'm not a rapper no. I'm not doing it on it paluto mutu tu kwa nse caterpillar.
Yeah.
Rap bang na paluta rapio or tia manfodi no over rap battle near the day. Me ya say.
You both shows cranny and friend no.
And so no rap pa. And so no rap pa and so I didn't hear. You know, say Sani be treat rappers there. Then I think say any show say they are versatile. Obu on so it is a ras nene. Dr. Like it.
Yeah.
Say be ye dini yi unrobber sa senka covid ya man be hu ni humorous side and ke be hu say the obetimi aya say obey. So at times no if nkawe ambaka we didn't know say Kimpaluta and near you a good songwriter sir.
I remember then time I know rap it me invited on Silver FM my menene bon komo ka say if the media station crown open interview crown then but the name say obia epekin paluta no aye
no singing their melodies what you say and a rap no a community
yeah
even we are member na e rap kra nya obia na ye hip hop heads
yeah
nanka mano but singing there say me singing na me to me nya that singing me per rap
okay
but I will fall for singing because me girl be amako pen pesa anyum no say me sua
yeah
that is one of the promotional tools that singing has
and okay
inti man no be ma na pe inti say singing be there na wo ye kankwe wo dey wo ye rapper na wo girl be a da ne penyum na enyum no be all the by force
okay
and a singing so and cry one of the things I would measure here and cry that's a map what for hit
okay
and of course singing and cry it's easy for cry I'm the bear poem
or
score the bear poem
and I say crowns rap say singers no so up one line be on say ekuti anyum ko Ghana hapa titru ni say wo to nyum na wo ye be ma na wo to de atia mema e ma na be push nyum na ma nyum na ko sisi a
o pese o fa hit Ghana ha anyum ma bu akutia na no na minister Bones din komo
okay
o say ha Ghana ha obia na obia wa se
okay
etu bu akutia anyum a o be hit baby I do in life no
ya trako matie ti be so da ya o say we dey cry
obia kuma obia ne ex wa asem
okay
nanka better na yo in the history of Ghana the highest sold album akutia what you say ochia me kwame en show against so akutia na two anyuma motivate obi so obenyeska already Ghana economy no suppressing economy to be here ska nti se obonyum na se ebemu nipa no enidaso obi a eno so befa nti no motivation songs anyuma ebo akutia ene e bia odo honyum this they naturally no
wow
yeah they hate on people so obviously that's why I venture into singing now hit sa hona akutia de e beko before
okay afia nkasa na me body nti a me che wotena asese me na odi nkomo do you think say Stonebwoy is making it out there because of Patwa? Because you see I think say one musician be from Jamaica because ne Patwest now work a fake Patwest na e ba ye no wa onim ye bibrim ha ye de ye say ye de embracing nkofo de Ghana fo bibri na no say fake Patwa na free name find name I think they say oben aboy more do you think say he's making it out there? Because asemi kura by Nancy am say who stage bi so a I think international stage bi a o make Ghana dey big out there. A part one am Stonebwoy economy.
No. Stonebwoy were defeating Ghanaian mindset bi and we yin nina or it's not about language I all speak it.
Okay.
Ghana for what they be and Stonebwoy dey be am say he's the only artist in Ghana. Or yeah, Juma to say underground artist and the near bra up hits.
And then in nyina.
Stonebwoy. Sometimes because baby I do not so quite comfortable. Look, Stonebwoy is so established and fulfilled there. But every time he moves like underground artist or pay hit unrelaxing. Transema to guna soon and then our power she or yes strategic networking. And I say Ghana ha ye potential Grammy winner pa ni steps no moving how onim dia ope. What you say? And it's not about Sanyama can de onim country film near. But look, if you are talking about someone say why strategy so make a statement be my Ghana. Even when he or still now he doesn't mind. What you say? So it's not about the patois, it's about the fact so onim strategically how to position himself. On Stonebwoy or you go getter. In fact, it's the way the guy moves no, the way the gentleman moves no, or any part actually. Se Ghana pa ye fanatism to say to me idea say nya fan base system to say yo this guy is that guy. What I say. So I really part one is your money they know he's championing idea friend Afro dancehall.
Okay.
Or no na ya magic Caribbeans no amo say Caribbean music originates from Africa. He's trying to tell a story to make Jamaicans see say the root of what they are doing is from Africa.
Okay.
What they are saying that is why he has carved an Afro dancehall niche for himself. Until baby I say ono na ye that merger no between these two continents. So I mean I feel say Stonebwoy is a sure bet for Grammy from the way he's moving if you are really serious about how he be projecting moves around that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Before TGMs.
Right.
Me who couple of interviews be anaje say would they all say chin enye den also do who say Juma Stonebwoy aye no ono mum na also winning artist of the year. Watch more platforms be but me platform e dey me nya o. Bra e dey nti like and this wadi hunu be na onya and e ba mu so ema afi because na afi na hu ye mi hu che say eh na watimi akeka say ya mampa so etimi abam like how
yeah. Rapper, you won't say.
Onon kwani dancehall artist in Ghana.
No, but it was not even about the dancehall. She say cry the Stonebwoy as a dancehall artist cry no. Wa frame.
Okay.
Wa frame till say cry the. O share ne certain albums are released here now. Wa frame in such a way say as a dancehall artist doesn't 100% represent that culture. And I'm because or person dilute no here Afro dancehall. So they be a very flexible enough.
Okay.
But senior 2023. Now me per se among for who say look. You will nipa bebre omonte Ghana Music Awards as how I operate. Nti na omonte ase ni bi se bi omu ye naive onyama bebre ho.
Okay.
Me kai am for say se ka se ye Ghana Music Awards 2024. The idea crowning artist of the year ni adwuma wa in 2023.
Okay.
Nti 2024 na yi adene koso no. Se wa ye adwuma se osono se wa ye adwuma from January to the ni nyina nka ho.
23 de na eka.
23. Nti am for refi omo because Nipa no mo de ne kope Stonebwoy no was doing bigger things from January to June. But me na no na man for refi say enka calendar year no.
Okay.
Into that is one thing na man for forget. Into obi a no all virtue for promise bia metina se onim. But ane na me imagine so any yem bi nkofo ani won man say 2024 West nka ho, 2023 West. Two. Yen nyina anim say most popular song first TGM and what very most popular song no na artist of the year.
Okay.
Song of the year we win and say that was the biggest award. She say the artist of the year beka artist of the year no yesterday. And was say when you hit single.
Okay.
Hit single na chi na bia why album bia ka ho na so why EP bia ka ho.
Okay.
Ye hear no free hwa. Ehin pa na wakọ ababia wokono sen na yesi gi so. Broni friend audience appeal.
Okay.
Nti wo see ha ye hu se waba ha. Wo see ha manfo de ani gi push ya. Wo see ha. Then 3, award scheme na ankasa no ohun faso wa ema award scheme ni sen in terms of nomination. I was say unya one of the most nominated artists.
Okay.
Aside no maybe be away. Because Abranteɛ can promise abɔ ne ho mmɔden. In fact, can promise me so proud say ene can promise your Stonebwoy na book can promise for a year. Then so me and shade you can promise go so year nyoma huntia ya mo say can promise na rain artist for year. But nyoma hu ni nyina ye see we are all building for 2025.
Okay.
And me this year, who be say next year who is my artist of the year? It's between Paluta and Kim Promise.
Okay.
But say year na ye can one sem media. Stonebwoy, look. Album a Free Africa. Album me ham yahyehyɛ ne yie ɛso nyoma ɛdɛ wura highlight for ɛwɔ ɔmo deɛ ɔso wura club for deɛ ɔmo ɔso wura dance off nya ɔmo deɛ ɔso.
Okay.
The album had every variety of genre and they were hits into oko club obeko ye bo amputeke ne ma yi ɔmo sase ni ade amputeke oko highlight for Manoji that song na really oni Angelina Kiju
amputeke eno ni imaza
Even though many,
okay.
Man is
me fedodo. And a man was said, you sa
no me say.
No medium sacrifice, I mean, to music and Munkudi.
So what my intino say, terminator a hater, and put taking so a hate. Oko overlord, oko dance of fraternity na overlord, ewo nipaya my Manoji, wa my therapy remix, wa international collaboration, wa album nisu baby. Uwie no, show be I can promise wa ko be a Stonebwoy akwabro so international. A crow band so a continent band wanko. Both shows ne back to back. A few so both shows ne back to back. Oh yeah no. The whole Ghana a picture among for the NJ show na show ninya kasa. Show no yeah well executed. On the Philly Stadium, Ghana. Biggest statement. Oh yeah. You are among for omu scheme nima. Omu timinya nomination because of Stonebwoy.
Yeah.
Into which collaboration on the amount for year 80 more etimi mom nomination oni kidi enyuma kidi create me anya award for collaboration of the year oni family untimi nye ni nyina go do some say intini influence as an artist no cry on other artists cry on the scheme no cry impeccable
na je say me eternity na say o deserve ye bre no ya bre nti
BM cry
okay
2023 they say am farmer na anka industry ni be twa esabiat work be higher yi ni papa because artist of the year there was say we hear real representation of what a white man described as
a
music icon.
All right. Port me that say you better try and come about it. Nyame show pa.
So me that Djka.
All right. Right. Ebusa for eda bo nyina ma say.